Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Firefox browser on Google Pixel 7a. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside on the top find Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, you can click on the open. Here we can customize the browser, so choose a different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, and change between different privacy protection settings. Lastly, read the privacy notice, and now we can start browsing. Let's open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.